Maintaining a lush green lawn can be a time-consuming task, but what if I told you there was a way to make it effortless? That's right, we're talking about automatic robotic lawnmowers. Today we're going to show you the top 5 best robotic lawnmowers that will leave your lawn looking perfect without any effort from you. From sensors that detect obstacles to smart mapping technology, these robotic lawnmowers are equipped with the latest technology to make lawn care a breeze. Say goodbye to hours spent pushing a heavy mower and hello to more free time to enjoy your beautiful lawn. Be sure to check out the links in the video description below for the best prices on all of the robotic lawnmowers mentioned in this video. And since the mowers are presented in no particular order, you won't want to miss any of the top picks. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 best automatic robotic lawnmowers of 2023.
By what magic?
It's not magic, Bob. It's the WORX Landroid,
a fully automated personal greenskeeper that keeps my yard perfectly trimmed 24/7, no matter where I am.
Nice job, buddy. High five. With the Landroid, you just set it and forget it. Just mount the charging base. Establish your perimeter.
Take your 20-volt 4-amp power share battery, which works with all the tools in the brand.
Pop them in once, and voila! Your Landroid will recharge itself automatically. And with the Landroid app, the Landroid measures your yard and suggests a mowing schedule all on its own. Or you can manually adjust settings and track your progress, all from the palm of your hand. The Landroid comes in 2 versions, for either a quarter or half-acre yard. The Landroid can climb hills up to 20 degrees.
Hell yeah!
And it's water repellent.
But my yard is full of flower beds, pets, children, squirrels.
Not to worry. This Yard 2D2 has anti-collision system capabilities to avoid running over anything you don't want to mow.
And its offset microblades ensure closer edge cutting for everything you do.
The Landroid knows its boundaries, and it's ultra quiet, unlike your nosy neighbor.
With a no questions asked satisfaction guarantee and a 3-year warranty, you can feel confident about stepping into the future of lawn care. And hurry, your grass is growing as we speak.
Where do I get one?
Go to Amazon, Bob.
To get your own personal greenskeeper and check mowing off your to-do list for good.
Husqvarna Automower is designed for easy installation. Start by unpacking the Automower. Then place the charging station. Attach the power supply and begin charging Automower. Next, lay the boundary wire along the edges of the lawn so the Automower knows where to mow. Then, place the guide wire which leads the Automower around your lawn and back to the charging station. After the wires are installed, connect them to the charging station. Finally, use your smartphone to complete the installation with the Automower Connect app. Now sit back and let your Husqvarna Automower take over and deliver the perfect lawn 24/7.
Welcome to Grow With Your Garden. Today I'm going to show you the best way to mow the lawn. To do this, I've made myself quite comfortable because a robot will mow my lawn. It's much more accurate than me and does it all on its own. And if you're thinking now, yeah, but the installation of the thing has got to be 3 times more difficult, I can tell you a completely different story. First of all, take a close look at the mower. Simply because it is interesting, and you also have to check whether everything is there. Naturally, the mower, including the operator's manual and a quick reference guide, must be in the box, and a form for the, product registration. There are a lot of additional services for it. And then a power supply. And the ruler is also very important. In the cover, there are some screws for securing the ground plate, wire couplers and wire connectors for connecting the wires to the charging station. In addition, there is also a low voltage cable and sticker. Finally, the mower is there under the cover. And also, there is a charging unit. The wire connections are on the back. And a whole bunch of pegs. The reel of wire for the boundary and guide wire, we still have to find out exactly what they are. And not to be missed, the base plate is found right at the bottom. Oh yeah, don't forget the registration. So let's get started and take a closer look at the mower. And the mower itself. You'll find the main switch under the flap, along with a keypad for operation with the display, and a control knob for setting the cutting height. Then there is the big stop button. At the bottom, there is a compartment for the battery, rotating back wheel, and the centerpiece, the freely swinging precision blades.